Hello guys, welcome back to the Lighthouse. So yes, it's been a while.
What's up?
I've had a rest. I thought I needed some time off YouTube for a while. But I'm back. And what do we start with? Something messy. Speed eating, 1 jar of honey, for 340 grams. Mark took a photo of it before I try to demolish it.
Right. Also, got time already.
It is sealed. This is going to be extremely messy.
Save me some for my pancakes.
I can't. Can you show me that you've got the timer on?
There we go. 0 seconds so far.
I don't know how to eat this.
You dip the spoon and you put it in your
I know,
mouth.
but it's going to be extremely messy.
I'd
and
get a smaller
sticky.
spoon.
No? I'm
Right.
quite good at these speed eatings. We're procrastinating. Are you ready?
Ready?
No, but here we go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Best of luck.
I'll periodically show the timer.
It's very sweet.
I think you could have lied on the table and so you just drip it into your mouth. And have your eyes in your head.
Christ, you're going through that quick. Yeah. Can I put the timer to the side? Yes, I can.
Save me some for my thingy. Wow.
Oh!
Guess.
1 minute.
1 minute 40.
59.
59 seconds.
59 seconds, 30 milliseconds.
You need a bigger jar.
Woo! I don't know, I need to cleanse my mouth.
I think that's your quick.
Wow.
I think that's your quickest one so far.
Okay. Excuse me, hold on. Another one coming. See if anybody can beat 59 seconds, a jar of Aldi clear honey, 340 grams. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
You watch someone just go and just pour it back.
Can't, you gotta use a spoon. Sorry. Bye.
Bye.